Okay, hi guys, welcome back to another Animal Company. Not as excited about this one, but because it's 9:30 and bedtime. Some point parents are doing something, but let's get to this.
Oh, I'm so tired. You know, we might be a little quiet, but
I'm actually not gonna use that because I can't really buy those. I kind of just found it laying on the ground.
my head is feeling so light, but I'm doing it for the content.
Yeah, we work really hard for you guys, so please.
I know we're not like a very good YouTuber, 13 subscribers, but we also try our hardest. Even how much subscribers you got, you just keep working for your achievement, and then you'll finally get it, and then now you're a famous YouTuber. Never stop a YouTube channel that's not proud of you. You have to just make it better. That's what we're doing.
We're trying to grow big. Just little content creators trying to be big. Oh yeah, so I was gonna make a video on this new map, but it somehow got deleted off of my thing. I probably needed new storage for the update. Probably deleted it. Yeah.
Remember, keep subscribing up, comment your name, and we'll give you a shout out in our next video. And then also, we should not be doing it that night, bro.
Wait, do you know the trick with the person? Just look at them and don't turn. I think we actually have to go this way though. We gotta find the key card. I got you. If she sees me, you gotta find the key card.
Pretty sure it's somewhere over here.
Oh shoot! I can't
see her.
Oh no! I see one.
You do?
Yeah, come over here. Come here.
Alright,
should I kill her?
Oh, we should not.
We gotta get past her, I think, that way.
Yeah, but she doesn't chase you. Well, sometimes she does. Look at her, look at her.
Where is she?
Alright, go, 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 go. Let's run.
Yo, oh. Jump, jump, jump.
What? Do you jump all the way down?
Yeah, and then you jump over here.
You go down the stairs.
Wait, what are we gonna duplicate?
We need ducks.
What are we gonna duplicate? We could duplicate my backpack out. I'll just drop everything out of it, or else it doesn't work if you have items.
Duplicate your backpack. Go.
Oh, I forget. We gotta watch out for the guy because he one-shots. Holy, that gave me a freaking jump scare.
Oh, he's here.
Oh shoot.
Oh, you have to be up on the air because you have to touch him from the line.
I think he's like this tall.
No. Yeah. Bro's a grown man. Try not to hit him.
Don't touch him.
Might have to kill him.
I don't think his forehead can hit me.
We're just gonna be standing here for the whole night.
Bro just gave up.
How's bro's eyes like that? Bro does not go to sleep.
Come here!
Fight us! We're not scared. Stop running!
I think he's healing himself every time he runs.
I just want to take a run for it.
Go, 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 go. I'm getting up on the ceiling. Stay up on the ceiling! Over here.
Shoot!
This
I
way.
should not have took a run for it. Oh my god, I almost screamed the guts out of myself.
Come on, fast, fast.
Sorry. Go, 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 go.
Oh,
Oh my god, I'm sorry that I screamed so loud, guys.
guys, this place is... He's gonna be like right there, isn't he?
He's right by
No,
now.
Emmett, can you grab my grappler? I dropped it.
Shoot.
Ungrapple. I think he's gonna be like right there.
Oh, he is. I saw his face right by the elevator. Yep, he's still there.
Wait, can we hit him through the wall? We can
They
hit
can.
him through the wall.
He can't kill you. Back up. Ooh, yeah. That's it. No, that's like a life hack, bro. Then he's gonna respawn. That's a drop your stuff for this.
We gotta do this fast. Gotta get through here. I got ammo.
You gotta get duckos.
He's gonna respawn really fast, I think.
Duckos are helpful. Need them, ducko.
Oh, and then I gotta collect these in my bag.
I'm stuck.
Should I start collecting?